How to play Helldivers 2 Coop online. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. To play Helldivers 2 Coop, you need to actually invite your friends. In order to do so, launch a Helldivers 2 application first and foremost in your device. Now, you can easily install via your Steam or your PlayStation Store or from a disk. Either way, launch into your Helldivers 2. Wait for your Helldivers 2 to completely load off. Once you are in the lobby of your Helldivers 2, at the very top in a dashboard, you should find the option of Social. Select on the option of Social at the top. From here, you will see the Friends option. You can select on the Friends option, then invite your friends over to join in the gameplay. If not, you can even join the existing gameplay in the Helldivers 2 as well. Now to invite your friend or to visit a friend, you can generate your very own unique friend code or use their friend code to join their existing gameplay as well. Once you have been accepted or once you accept your friend's request, you'll be able to play Coop on your Helldivers 2. For this, make sure that your matchmaking privacy is set on friends only or in the public option. To do so, check out the options. Tap on Gameplay, select on Matchmaking Privacy and set it on Public. Once you do it, you'll be able to enjoy your Coop and your Helldivers 2. Which brings to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.